Hi guys, Ed here. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I've been feeling a little bit low this week due to certain things going on, so I thought I would come for a little walk in the woods to hopefully see if the bluebells are out and about. They should be this time of year. Before we get into this little adventure though, don't forget to like and subscribe as that really does help me out. Thank you very much. So without further ado, let's start this little adventure. Okay, here we are. Look how pretty that is. Open the old gate. I'll try and put this rope on now one-handed. Easy peasy squeezy lemons. Oh, look how beautiful this is. This is so nice. I'll tell you what, I'm glad I've got my wellies on. Oh dear. Look at that, just as far as the eye can see. This is so nice. I'm so glad I came today. Oh, wow. So this one, it's got yellow bits on it. I'm not too sure if that's one that's going to come out and bloom a bit later. I don't know. If you could let me know in the comments, that would be very much appreciated. This is really pretty. Being in nature really does help cheer you up. It's one thing I always do when I'm feeling just a little bit low, like I am today. Just come out, go for a short walk in the woods nearby and just take in all this beauty. I must admit I'm feeling so much better since coming in here and just filming just this little video of these absolutely beautiful bluebells. I mean, it's just so amazing. And again, like I said earlier, being in nature and around this kind of thing really does do wonders for my mental health. As I said in the intro, I'm feeling a little bit low this week about certain things, and now my mind is completely clear of the clutter that was clogging it up. Just absolutely amazing. So I think I'm going to call this video quits here. Thank you ever so much for watching. I feel so much better after coming out here and being in this wonderful wooded area with all these beautiful bluebells surrounding me. Again, thank you ever so much for watching, and I hope you have a very lovely day. Take care.